is 9th Maths, Chapter 3, Algebra, Exercise 3.1. Fifth question. Add the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. In algebra, what are constants, what are variables? All numbers are, all numerals are constants. All alphabets, A, B, C, D, etc. to Z are variables. Here, add the following polynomial. This one polynomial, this one polynomial. The name is P of x. This the polynomial's name is Q of x. So add the following two polynomials. How to add? In polynomial P of x, this polynomial contains x square term, x term, constant term. Q of x contains x cube term, x term, constant term. Here x square term is missing. So we should put in that place a 0. So add P of x and Q of x. P of x can be written as this x cube term is 0. So that place is 0 here. Plus 6x square minus 7x plus 2. Q of x is x cube term 6x cube. Here x square term is missing. So that place is 0. Minus 7x plus 15. Add these two polynomials. So P of x plus Q of x. Here 0 plus anything, the same number. So x 6x cube. Add the like terms only. So here 6x square. Here minus 7x minus 7x. Totally minus, add and put the same sign. So minus 7 plus 7 14x. 7x minus 7x minus 7x minus 14x. Here constant term 15 plus 2 17. This is our resultant polynomial. So now also find the degree of the resultant polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the variable. Here x is our variable. Here power is 1. Here power is 2. Here power is 3. So here the highest power is 3. Therefore degree of the polynomial is 3. Now, from fifth question, third subdivision. Here also add the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. First one is f of x is x power 4. Greatest power is x power 4. So 16 x power 4. Next x cube term is missing. So that place is 0. Next minus 5 x square. X power 4. X square term. Then x term also missing. That place also 0 plus constant term. Next g of x is equal to here minus 6 x cube. Here x cube is greatest power. So this x power 4th term is missing. That place is 0. Minus 6 x cube. X square term also 0 here. Next plus 7x minus 15. Add f of x plus g of x is equal to here 16 x power 4 minus 6 x cube minus 5 x square plus 7x. Here constant term. One number is in plus, one number is in minus, means subtract and put the greater number sign. Here greater number is minus 15. So that sign is minus. Now subtract 15 minus 9 is 6. So this is our resultant polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is here in the resultant polynomial the greatest power of the variable is 4. That is our degree. So answer is 4. Sixth question from exercise 3.1. Subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. First subdivision, p of x is equal to 7x square plus 6x minus 1. Second polynomial, q of x is equal to 6x minus 9. Subtract the second polynomial. This is our second polynomial. Subtract this polynomial from the first polynomial. So first polynomial is p of x 7x square plus 6x minus 1. This is given. X square term, x term, constant term. Next, q of x is 6x minus 9. X term and constant only given. So x square term is missing. That place is 0 plus 6x minus 9. Subtract the second polynomial. This is second polynomial. So we should subtract this from the first polynomial. Means change the sign for all the terms. Here plus means we should put minus. Here minus means we should put plus. Now the sign of 6x is minus. The sign of 9 is plus. So p of x minus q of x is equal to 7x square. Change the sign of the second polynomial only. So 6x, here minus 6x. Plus 6x minus 6x get cancelled. So answer is 0. Here minus 1, here plus 9. One number is in minus, one number is in plus means subtract and put the greater number sign. Here greater number is plus. So that's now sign is plus. Now subtract 9 minus 1 is 8. So p of x minus q of x is equal to 7x square plus 8. This is our answer. And the degree is 2. Degree equal to 2. Now, from sixth question, second subdivision. Here also subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial. So, write the first polynomial f of y is equal to, here greatest degree is 3. So, here y cube term is missing. That term is 0 plus 6y square. Next y term 7y plus constant term. G of y is y cube term by first, so y cube. Next y square term is missing that, so that place is 0. Y term is plus, the sign of 7y is plus here. There is no sign, is plus only. So plus 7y. There is no constant term, so that place also 0. So our question is subtract. So subtract the second polynomial. Therefore change the sign for the second polynomial. Here plus means minus, 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 minus. 0 has no sign. So f of y minus g of y. So 0 minus y cube is minus y cube. Here plus 6y square. Here minus 7y. Here minus 7y. Both are same sign. Rule is add and put the same sign. So same sign is minus. Now add 7 plus 7, 14y. 7y plus 7y, 14y. Here 2 plus 0 is plus 2. Here greatest degree, greatest power of the variable is 3. Therefore degree of the polynomial is 3. This is resultant polynomial. Degree is 3. So from exercise 3.1, seventh question. What should be added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15? This polynomial, this one polynomial. What should be added to this polynomial to get this polynomial? So to get this polynomial, this is our resultant polynomial. What should added to this polynomial? That what polynomial should be taken as x, capital X. That polynomial is x plus what should be added. Added means put plus sign to this polynomial. 2x cube plus 6. Let us take that unknown polynomial be capital A. So another polynomial, because here one x is given. That's why let us take the unknown polynomial be A. 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get means equal to another polynomial 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. This A only want to find. So keep this A as this side. Transfer this whole polynomial to that side. Here plus polynomial goes that side means goes to minus polynomial there. So already there 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Now transfer this polynomial plus polynomial to that side means minus 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8. Put one bracket here. Now remove that bracket. 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. How to remove the bracket? By changing the sign. Because outside the bracket there is minus sign. So minus 2x cube minus into plus minus 6x square. This plus 5x minus 8. Now the bracket is removed. Now group the like terms. Here 3x cube, 2x cube. 3x cube minus 2x cube. Next here minus 2x square minus 6x square. Next x term plus 6x plus 5x. Constant term plus 50 minus 8. Now simplify the like terms. 3x cube minus 2x cube. These two only like terms here. So subtract and put the greater number sign, because sign changes here. Here plus, here minus. So plus greater number is plus. Subtract 3 minus 2, 1x cube. So x cube term is over. Now x square term, here minus 2x square, here minus 6x square. Both are in same sign. So added to the same sign. Minus 6 plus 2, 8x square. So x square term is over. Now x term, here plus 6x plus 5x. Totally both are same sign. So plus sign is here same. Plus 11x. X term is over. Now constant term plus 15 minus 8. Here greater number is plus. Subtract 15 minus 8 is 7. So this is our unknown polynomial. So now from exercise 3.1, question number 8. What must be subtracted from 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7 to get this polynomial? What must be subtracted from this polynomial? So write this polynomial first. 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So what polynomial should be subtracted from this polynomial? That what polynomial be? The required polynomial be A. To get, that means equal to. To get means equal to 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. So write this question like this. Here minus a, we want to find plus a, so transfer this plus a to that side, transfer this whole polynomial to this side. So already here 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x polynomial come to this side means minus of 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Now transfer this a to that side, minus a goes that side means plus a. Now remove the bracket. Here 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Remove this bracket by multiply minus 1 minus 3x cube minus means plus x square plus means minus 2x, here plus means minus 1 equal to a. Now club the like terms. Here x power 4, there is only 1x power 4, so 2x power 4. This is x square, x power 4 over. Next x cube term, here only 1 x cube term, so minus 3x cube. Next x square term, here 4x square, here 1x square. Totally 4 plus 1, 5x square. X term, here minus 3x, here minus 2x. Minus 3x, minus 2x. Both are same sign. So add and put the same sign. Minus 3x plus 2x, 5x. Now constant term, here plus 7, here minus, here plus 7, here minus 1. So greater number sign is plus, subtract 7 minus 1, 6 equal to a. Therefore our required polynomial is a is equal to 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is our answer. Now from exercise 3.1 question number 9. Multiply the following polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Given two polynomials are p of x and q of x. Multiply these two polynomials. P of x into q of x. So p of x is x square minus 9 into q of x is 6x square plus 7x minus 2. Now multiply first. Here this polynomial contains 2 terms. This polynomial contains 3 terms. So first write x square into this polynomial fully. 6x square plus 7x minus 2. First multiply this polynomial by x square, then minus 9 into again this polynomial 6x square plus, first write like this. Now multiply x square into this first term, into second term, this into third term. Here this line. First multiply x square into 6x square. Here first multiply the sign, then multiply the numbers, then multiply the variables. First sign is plus into plus. Plus x, now number is here 1, that understood, 1 6 are 6. X square into x square means we should add the powers. So x square into x square means x power 2 plus 2 4. So first term is over. Now multiply this 1x square with 7x. Sign is plus into plus, plus number 1 7s are 7. X square into x. Only x means that power is 1. So x square into x means x cube. Now x square into 2. Plus into minus, minus 1 2s are 2. Here x square. Variable is x square. Here minus, minus into plus, minus 9 6 are 54. Variable x square. First term over. Now second term minus into plus, minus number 9 7s are 63. Variable x. Here minus into minus plus 9 2s are 18. Now club the like terms. Simplify the like terms. Here x power 4 is greater power. So write only one x power 4 term. 6 x power 4. Next x cube term is only one x cube term. So plus 7 x cube. X cube. Now club the like terms. 6 x power 4. Right. Then 7 x cube. Now x square term is here minus 2 minus 54, totally 56 x square. Next x term is minus 63x plus 18. So this is our resultant polynomial. Here degree is highest power is 4. That is our degree of the polynomial. So this is answer. So students, copy down these workbook sums in your classroom notebooks and do these homework sums in your homework notebooks. Our homework sums are from exercise 3.1, fifth question, second subdivision, sixth question, third subdivision, from ninth question, second subdivision are homework sums. Thank you students.